Want to share Facebook Reels on Instagram automatically? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily share your Facebook Reels on Instagram automatically. First thing first, move into Facebook and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Profile at the bottom right. Click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. In this section, head over to Settings and Privacy. Move into Settings at the very top. Inside Settings, you need to move into Account Center. Inside the Account Center, move into Connected Experiences. Head over to Sharing Across Profiles. Click on your Facebook account, and if you haven't added your Instagram account, then click on Add Account. After that, you can also add your Instagram. Once added, move into Facebook. Now, if you want to share any of the posts that you post on Facebook to Instagram, then you need to toggle on this button. For the story, toggle on the story button. And for the post, toggle on your Facebook post button. And if you want to share the reel, click on Setup and follow the on-screen process. After that, all of your Facebook Reels will be uploaded on Instagram as well. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.